Okay, so as communicated in my introductory video, I will keep on making videos for all of you regarding stocks, gold, and forex markets. Now, today's our short topic is you might have witnessed that if you invest in stocks, prices change rapidly. There are frequent changes in price. If you invest in gold, there are frequent changes in price. If you invest in crude oil, there are frequent changes in price. So, the first topic, the first question, why do prices change? Why do prices of gold change? Like you looked here and then look back, the prices have got changed. Why do prices of currencies change? Although there are many factors, but the first principal factor always remember is the game of demand and supply. Whenever demand comes for anything, the prices go up. And whenever the supply comes, the selling comes, the price go down. Recent example of COVID-19 virus. You might have witnessed that oil prices went crashing down and now they're up. Although there can be many other reasons, but the main reason or one of the main reasons was demand supply. When economies were shut, there were no airlines, the airlines restricted movement. Obviously, there were no buyers of crude oil. The demand for oil went low. So obviously when there was no demand, no one is going to buy. People willing to sell, but no one is willing to buy. The prices crashed. But economies slowly started recovering. The prices and the airlines slowly and gradually started opening. The demand for jet fuel created. Obviously, now there were sellers, but correspondingly, there were buyers as well, the countries who wanted to buy oil. So when there are buyers, the demand goes up, the prices go up. But when there are no buyers, the demand goes down, and obviously the prices go down. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Keep on learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.